Yo, 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 what is up, my Poke Peeps? Who's up for another video? All right, so I actually picked these up yesterday when I was traveling around to all the Walgreens looking for Pokemon and football cards or Yu-Gi-Oh! And they actually had a TCG Lightning set. So it's 4 boosters plus a bonus card. Not sure what the bonus card is. Hopefully it's a holo. And it's distributed by the Unfairfield company, or, that's what Leonhard says. And I grabbed 2 of these because the other one I grabbed had a Shining Fates pack right here, but it still had 2 Darkness Ablaze, Shining Fates, and Vivid Voltage. And then they had 2 more, but they were just like this one, with just the Darkness Ablaze and Vivid Voltage. But if they would have had Shining Fates, then I would have grabbed all of them, or only the ones with Shining Fates. But it was cool to find a lightning set or blister pack with Shining Fates, because you don't see those ones too often because they're a little bit more expensive. So the bonus card was actually nothing special. Sizzlipede, common card on holo. Nothing great was to be expected, but at least some kind of holo, even a common holo. But whatever. Oh, definitely opened them wrong. My bad. There's the code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fire. Nope. Fighting. Electric. Delmise. Galarian Stunfisk. Chimecho. Blitzel. Slugma. Beldum. Milcery. Beldum again, but a reverse, and a holo Zekrom. So that is 1 hit so far. So 1 out of 4. We'll see what else comes along. Still waiting to get the Chunkachu. Gotten quite a few rainbow rares, but no, the nice, colorful rainbows. And just look at the condition of these cards, from that box. And the corners are all chipped. Lightning. Nope. Grass or green. Matang. Myena. Trainer Beauty. Sandile. Seedot. Pick-a-peck. Mudbray. Joltik. Reverse Shuppet. And non-holo rare Shiftry. So now we're still down 1 out of 4, or so far 1 out of 2. One, 2, 3, 4. Water. Nope. Psychic. Simsage. Billowing Smoke. Turbo Patch. Shummet. Larvitar. Grimer. Galarian Darumaka. Sentret. Reverse Rookity. And another non-holo rare. This one is Delcatty. All right, last one. Bum, 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 bum. Bam. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, we haven't got one yet. Metal. Nope. Fire. Yellhorn. Ursaring. Poltergeist. Morlo. Toxel. Skitty. Rowlet. Wishy Washy. Reverse Gothorita. And so we got 2 out of 4. This one is a Tapu Koko rare holo. So no V cards or anything like that, but we did get 2 out of 4. It's Zekrom and Tapu Koko. But as always, thanks for watching. We'll definitely see you next time. Peace out.